Hi, I'm Christina. I'm a nurse and part-time DIYer. Together, my 87-year-old Pa and I make up Geezer and Gal DIY. We're your one-stop shop for DIY home decor and interior design. We love saving our followers money, so we always share dupes and home decor finds. We give you ideas you can use to transform your own space. We share both apartment-friendly and small space-friendly design. We know you work hard for your money, so we're always sharing expensive looks for less. If you like grandpa wisdom and laughs,
this is the boss, and once the boss, you stay the hell away from it.
and funny cameos from grandma. Anna, you look like a legend.
I am a legend.
Hit the subscribe button because you're in the right place. If you want DIY inspiration and creative ideas to improve your own home, follow this Geezer and Gal as we complete one DIY at a time.